The first batches of the COVID-19 vaccine arrived in South Dakota 2.5 weeks ago. They were first given to frontline healthcare workers who deal directly with COVID-19 patients. In tonight's edition of COVID-19 Beyond the Numbers, Angela Kennecke shows you who will be next in line and finds out if our health systems have experienced any problems with the distribution of the shot.
After rolling out the vaccine to workers from emergency departments, intensive care, and COVID-19 units, along with long-term care staff, vaccination of the residents of those homes has also been underway. Now, the third group of the Phase 1 rollout can expect to start getting their shots.
So, primary care offices, specialty clinic offices, also into starting to get into thinking about optometry and dentist offices, even massage therapy offices, other types of clinics that have patient-facing individuals.
The health system with the largest presence in each county will be responsible for vaccinating the clinic workers there. In the case of Minnehaha County, where there are two major health systems, dentists, eye doctors, and other clinicians' vaccinations will be divided between STANFORD and AVERA. Public health workers, emergency medical services, law enforcement, and correctional officers should also be getting their vaccinations in the coming days. The vaccine rollout hasn't gone so smoothly in some other hospitals across the country. In California, Stanford medicine residents taking care of COVID-19 patients protested after not being included in the first round of vaccinations. Stanford later apologized. Medical professionals at hospitals in other states have complained of similar issues. But South Dakota's health systems say there has been no cutting in the vaccine line here.
We've done a very good job of saying, please have some grace with us. Just know that our goal here is to get as many people vaccinated as quickly as we can. We're not going to play favorites. We're going to try to apply the rules as fairly as we can.
Well, if anything, we've had more of a problem of people saying, oh, I don't feel comfortable going quite yet. I want these other people to go before me type of things. They were working harder than me.
The next part of Phase 1 of the vaccine includes people with 2 or more underlying medical conditions, teachers, people over the age of 65, and more. We've put the complete South Dakota Department of Health list of the order of vaccinations for Phase 1 on this story on KENNELLAND.com.